Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another video from qGIS tutorial. Today we will explore how to use pre-trained machine learning algorithms in qGIS. The Deepness is the plugin that we will explore today, and I hope that it's gonna be useful for you. For this purpose, if you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel in order to be notified regarding the future videos from the channel. Okay, let's start. First of all, I'm gonna go to the Deepness, the neural remote sensing plugin websites. From here, from qGIS plugin, we can have the accessibility to this plugin. Here we can see further information regarding this plugin from Deepness Model Zoo. Its application is for segmentation, object detection, regression models, and so on. Depends on your usage, you can select one of them. Since they are pre-trained, you can use them for training and exercising. Then you can, based on them, you can define your model and define and develop your model. However, here I'm gonna use one of these models for segmentations. For example, for road segmentation, I will do it in the qGIS environment, and you can see the result. For this purpose, from here, model, I'm gonna download this that I will show you its application for the Deepness plugin. By clicking on that, it's gonna ask me an output. And save. Okay, then I'm gonna back. I will do the same thing for image. By the time that I clicking on the image, it's gonna give me a preview like this. From here, we can see that its format is PNG and we can download it easily. Again, the same folder and save. Okay. I have prepared all the data and also pre-trained model. Right now, I'm gonna back to the qGIS environment. If you have already have this plugin, Deepness plugin, you don't need to install it. Otherwise, you will come to plugin, manage and install plugins. From search, we will look for Deepness, Deep Neural Remote Sensing. Here we can see further information regarding this plugin, its version, and we have an option of installing this plugin. By clicking on install, it's gonna start to install, and also it's asking about the package. Yeah, we want to install packages also. It's gonna take a while. Okay, installing packages is going to be finished. Okay, after installing packages, you will face this message. By clicking on quiet, it's gonna reset your qGIS and you will go out of your software. Don't worry, After that, you can open your qGIS again and you will find the installed Deepness plugin. I click on quiet. As you can see, it's quiet from my software. Right now, I'm gonna back again, open my qGIS. Okay, very good. From here, we can see that Deepness plugin has been successfully installed. By double clicking on that, we open it and we will see its properties. As I said before, I'm going to use this plugin with the prepared data from the website. I mean this one. For this purpose, I will add the image that I have already downloaded from Open Data Source, raster, and from here, I will go to the folder that I saved all my data. By clicking on image and add it, I can see a preview of the downloaded image. Okay, very good. Right now, I'm gonna back to the plugin and I will explain different parts of this plugin for you. As the input data, we will have the input layer that we can see here. It's a rogue segmentation model. This image is considered as the input layer. If you have already another layers, you can input that one. Processed area mask. This means that, for example, if I zoom in, this is my visible part. It's gonna choose and also apply the algorithm on this part, not hold the image. However, if I use entire layer, it's gonna apply for the whole the image, whole the layer. And also from polygons, it's saying that if I click on that, it's gonna open another mask layer for me. If you have already imported a polygon, you can use that one and specify to the area that you are interested in applying this algorithm. However, I'm gonna use visible part, and also I have prepared further information from UI explanation for this plugin. You can read all of them, for example, main properties, input layers. You can see it's about its feature and also different information regarding their visible part, entire parts, and from polygons. Okay, in the next step, we have a ONNX model. As the model type, we can choose detector, regressor, segmenter, that you can find further information regarding this one here. Okay, I will back here. And since I'm gonna do a segmentation, I will choose model type segmenter. But you can read about the other models and you can choose one of them. Model file path. I'm gonna back to the explanation. From here, we can see patch to the model file. The model file can be in ONNX format. If you remember, I downloaded this one. This is a model file patch. If you click on that, you will go to this page and you can see the format is ONNX. This is the model file patch that I have already downloaded. Because of this, I'm gonna back to my model and from browser, I will look for the output that I saved that. Here we can see ONNX. As, as soon as I uploaded this model, you can see that here regarding the model information, regarding the patch size, channel, and etc. This is a pre-trained model that we have, and we are going to use that one. Okay, until now, very good. If you want to reload model, you can use these options, or you can load default parameters that you have defined before. As the input channel mappings, I'm gonna back again to the UA explanation. Here you can find information regarding these ones. Allows to keep an original channel sequence or to change it manually. In this training tutorial, I'm going to use default. However, if you want to change it, you can use advanced options. Very good. Processing parameters, resolution, tile size, and batch size. I'm going to back again to the explanation here. From here, we can see processing parameters, and also its information can be found here. Size of the image, pass it to the model in pixel. Pay attention to input the size that suits the image that you provided as the input layers. Tile size, define the size that it's going to be used for your training. And also batch size, you can choose one or the other one that you are interested in using. And that's it. I will leave them in default because it's kind of pre-trained and everything is defined before. In the next one, we have a segmentation parameters. Since we are using segmentation, segmenter here, we can check them or we can change them if we are interested. Again, we can see different information here. Threshold means minimum required probability for the class to be considered as a belonging to this class. If you are increase it, it's gonna give much more chance to be classified as the class that you defined. Otherwise, you will decrease the chance. And also, if you want to remove the small segments, you can use these options. However, you can leave it in default. Okay. Training data export. If you want to export training data, for example, these are training data, you can give it a direct path, and you can do it. Export image file, you want to export it, you can do it. Or if you want to export segmentation mask for layer, you can use these options. Select this one, and you can do it easily. However, I don't need this part. However, you can find further explanation regarding these parts of the plugin too. As I said before, patch to the directory where the tile will be saved, and also the same thing for image. Okay, very good. Right now I'm gonna back to the plugin, and I have this as a visual parts. If I run the code, it's gonna apply it just to this part, not hold the image. Right now, I don't have anything to change, and I can run the model. From here, we can see its process. Okay, the result is here. We can see that not road areas is this, and also road areas is a 33%. As you can see from here, the result is not, let's say, so precise. However, you can do some modification on your mask and also your training data. You can increase the accuracy, depends on your usage. If you want to change the color of your result, you can click on them, choose an appropriate color and apply. Very good. There's nothing to explain. If you need further details, you can come to this link and you can find a lot of information regarding this plugin, and you can use the other examples that are available here. I hope the content of this video will be useful for you. Thank you very much for your attention.